Homemade honey cough syrup with essential oils. Cough syrups are the only thing you can rely on when it comes to getting better. Unfortunately, pharmacies can't really help you here. Who needs all that liquid packed with shady ingredients? That's why we suggest that you try the super soothing homemade cough syrup. You only need a handful of ingredients, and you can always fix the ratio to your liking. The recipe requires simple ingredients, and you probably have these at home. Give your body a healthy kick, and stop coughing. The power of essential oils. Our recipe is based on raw honey and essential oils. You know a lot about the power of honey. It packs powerful antioxidants, and let's be honest, it's one of the greatest cough suppressants you will ever use. Honey is an incredible immunity booster, and it coats your throat perfectly. Use it to enjoy a temporary relief and get that healthy boost immediately. Lemon essential oil is completely natural and safe. It improves the function of your lymphatic system, and kills nasty bacteria. Lemon essential oil is one of the ingredients you want to use when it comes to warding off infections. Oh, yes, it tastes amazing. Frankincense essential oil is a natural antibiotic and a cold remedy. It helps the body to eliminate excess phlegm and mucus, while clearing your airways. This is of utmost importance, because it helps you breathe easily. Frankincense destroys bacteria in the upper respiratory tract and eliminates bad breath. Peppermint oil works as a natural decongestant and painkiller. Use it in your homemade cough syrup. If it's too strong for you, diffuse it to treat cough and sinus issues. Lavender essential oil offers antibacterial and anti-inflammation effect. It's mild and natural. Lavender oil relaxes your body and aids in the treatment of persistent cough. Homemade cough syrup recipe. This recipe works well for adults. If you want to use it for your children, make sure you learn more about essential oils and their benefits. Some oils aren't recommended for children. However, frankincense, lemon and lavender essential oils are safe for children. Children under 6 should never use anything that contains peppermint essential oil, because it may trigger serious irritation. Using essential oils requires caution, especially if your child is 2 or younger. Ingredients: 1 cup honey, 5 drops lemon essential oil, 4 drops frankincense essential oil, 5 drops peppermint essential oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. Use a glass jar to put everything together. Preparation: add the honey to your jar and warm it up. You can do this using a bowl full of hot water. Don't heat it through, because heat destroys healthy enzymes. Add in the oils, and stir well. Take a tablespoon of your cough syrup 3 to 5 times a day. Always use a clean tablespoon. You don't want to contaminate your syrup, right? Precaution: essential oils are healthy and powerful, but you should always do a skin test before using any of these. You may need to dilute the oils before using them. Start off with a few drops, and increase the amount gradually. Consult your doctor before you use the oils in case you take any medication. The same applies to those dealing with chronic conditions.